So now I will be going on the Euro coaster. This is always one of my favourite coasters here. I like being on ride, which not many people agree with me, but this from the outside also looks very cool. It's an iconic coaster here. What's not to love? Coaster, and yeah, it started raining pretty heavy. I got soaked, and yeah, luckily I have my coat on because yeah, I would have got my hair really wet. And yeah, although the profiling isn't great, it's very bad. I really like the drops on it. Like the drops on it are really good in my opinion. Although it does look like it's had some smoothing from Planet Coaster 1. It is still a good ride and I like it, okay? So yeah, I absolutely love this coaster and yeah, it's one of my favourite here.